Alright guys, good beautiful morning. I'm in the Evo, as y'all can see. Over here, we're gonna get some treatment done to my back. The chiropractor. So hopefully he can help me with my back pain. Just lower back pain really from deadlifting and lifting some heavy weights and stuff. So probably just need to get realigned. But we'll see how that goes, guys. Such a nice day. Look, I got the visors already on, as you all can see. So let me go in there. My appointment's at 3 minutes, so I gotta get going. So I'll see you guys in the... Alright guys, just getting back from the chiropractor, and he showed me the graphs, and I'm pretty messed up, but he aligned me today. I have to go back tomorrow to get realigned again. I'm gonna leave you out here because I'm gonna go to the gym, and I'm gonna show you guys something dope on this car. What is going on, guys? We're back here at the Evo. Guys, it's boiling hot in the Evo. Nice. And gotta put the windows down because it's so hot. Like I said, did get a lip. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to install it today or not. So this video probably might go in tomorrow's video. Tomorrow I gotta go back to the doctors again. I'm gonna continue checking my back. Yeah, so other than that, let's go to the gym, guys. The doctor said I can hit some chest, just light chest workout. Not too much that's gonna strain my back again, because I'm obviously trying to fix my back. So let's go, guys, and let's get this day started with. I mean, the day already started, but hey guys, we're still in the Evo. Just finished working out. A good light chest and very little shoulders, but my shoulders feel really sore right now. But yeah, that's where we at right now, guys. So once we get home, I'm gonna show you guys I got something in the mail. I got 2 things in the mail. Oh, 3, but I'm only gonna show you 2 because I know you're all gonna be judging on the other one that I got. So I'm only gonna show you 2. Yeah, I'm so excited, guys. If you guys seen the Kevin Hart, so excited. Okay. I guess the interior is clean because I'm trying to do a complete interior clean. I've been looking at a bunch of like videos of like people like cleaning completely the interior. I want to do that because you can see, look, I got a vacuum in here and stuff like that. But I mean, how it looks for now, it is fairly clean. As you can see, I gotta sweep that up, and the backside super clean. So I say it's pretty clean. I just installed the visors last video, and as you guys can see in the title of the video, let me see. Well, as you can see in the video, we are going to be installing the Mix Super lip that I bought for the Evo. It's gonna look super nice. Oh yeah, so we got the package right here. I'm gonna unbox it and show you guys the lip. So guys, this is the Mix Super. So you can see they really stuck to the packaging. Last time it was very different. Now it looks professional. Alright, I got it. Let's see how the packaging looks now. Ooh. So guys, I went with the red because I will be plastic dipping my Mitsubishi logo red, so match the red stripe. TSMC. Oh, there he goes. Oh, okay. Well, here's the actual Mix Super. This is the actual rubber thingy. I'm gonna leave it in the sun so it can warm up more. I'm gonna leave it on the hood, the disgusting hood that is completely dirty. And then here you have alcohol wipes. You get some screws, which you guys don't really need it. I get a lot of comments on my other videos that I've done, this sort of videos. It actually holds up pretty strong. They don't really fall off unless you obviously hit something in the road, like a bump. I remember when I was parking, I parked frontwards and it hit the little cement thingy. But I learned from my mistakes. Now I park backwards, and since then my lips have never fallen off. They've always been stuck in there good. It's a good brand. But yeah, so if you guys want, you guys can screw it in for if you guys want. I'm not gonna do it. And then you get the nice decal that I will install. I know I said this before, I hate stickers. That's why you guys don't see any stickers on my Evo. I hate stickers, but I think the sticker actually makes it look really nice. And we'll see how it fits. So let me get my scissors out, start cleaning, wiping down with the alcohol wipes. Well, this is to promote. Where's the alcohol? They didn't give me an alcohol wipe? Okay, I guess I'm gonna have to bring my own alcohol wipe, clean it up, And then here's the instruction, guys. This is just where I bought it, eBay. And then this is the instructions. This is the instructions right here, which you guys can pause it. Or I mean, you guys gonna buy this, I mean, might as well. I don't really do that. I just really just like curve it. If you want to do it, you can do it, but I just literally just go around the edge right there. That's the only edge I only really need. I just curve it. I don't cut it at all. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how to do it, and then I'm gonna show you guys how it turns out. Hopefully it turns out good on the Evo. It kind of matches also the red on the Rally Art, which I'm actually wearing a Rally Art shirt. Alright, let's go. Alright, so I'm gonna skip the obvious step is to clean the bottom of the lip. So the next clip will be me already starting to install the lip. You guys don't want to see me clean underneath. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the lip. We just finished applying all the little alcohol pads. You can see how dark that is. Let's get ready to install it. It's just so hot, so that's good. That's good. That's what you want, to be warm. It's coming out pretty good, as you guys can see. Now we're starting to add the red stripping coming through. As you guys can see, I did cut it out right there. And then now the red stripping is going in, and then we should be pretty good. We'll add the decal and then we're done, and that's it. The new lip. I can't wait till the red stripping, man, and I can't wait to red that thing out. It's gonna look nice. Let's get on with the video. So how do you do it? Is you literally just open it. You literally open it and pop it in, open, pop it in, and that's how you go all the way down, and then you cut it at the end, and that's it. Alright guys, as you can see, we have the red stripping now. Just gotta chop it off, and then add the little thing in. Alright, we just gotta chop it off, and then we're good. Alright guys, you can see we just literally finished installing the lip, and I'd like to thank everybody who watched the video. Just make sure that you tape it good. You know, kind of wants to come off. Could have done a better job cutting that thing off, but you know, it's alright. And then the M, so you can see the M came out a little wrong, like it came off, and then, but I fixed it. It looks alright. What do you guys think? You think it will look nice if I also red that out? I think it will. And once the headlights are black, they're gonna look so nice. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. And yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching the video, and as always guys, have a good one.